As your Flickr collection grows, as you accumulate hundreds and perhaps thousands of images, you're going to want to organize these images in some fashion. Creating sets of images would be a basic and powerful approach. So what I'm going to do is take you through the process of creating a set, and I'm going to do it from scratch. And the benefit of that is you'll also see some of the other skills that go into building a Flickr photo collection. So if I go from my photo stream to what's called home, you'll see one method, or you can watch me use one method for uploading photos. So I'm going to click this. This will give me the opportunity to select the photos that I'm interested in. The internet is slow. All right, so what I'm going to do on my desktop, I have this collection of images. I want all of them. And so we're going to open this and going to begin the upload process. So you can see what's happening now is 8-9 images are being sent from my computer to my Flickr account. Okay, they're now all there, and I don't really need to do much more at this point. I could add description for this, to be attached for each image, but that's not really what I'm interested in. What I want to do here is to just form this group into a set. And so what you see now, if you followed what I did, is that I moved into my organizational features. I'm interested in sets and collections, and I'm actually going to now create a new set. And this is a very basic process. I can actually scroll down here through huge numbers of images. Of course, the ones I'm interested in were the ones that I just uploaded. And all I have to do to add images from my entire library to this particular set is just to drag them in here. I only need one of each. These are images that kind of outline the steps in the harvesting and then processing of sugar beet, a topic that I could collect some images to describe. So this, I'm writing in now a label for this collection or this set, call it the beet harvest. And I have my collection assembled, but this isn't really the order in which I want them, and so I can change this around. What I've done there is kind of create the thumbnail that will appear as an indicator of what the set of images is about. And then within the images, I can also order them if I think that's important to do. And I do, and I'll explain why in just a second. What I'm interested here in is kind of positioning these to tell a story. So this is the story of the harvesting of sugar beets. And I actually have all of these. I guess since these are time-stamped and I kind of collected them in order, these are all backwards. So I'm reordering them now. So let's see here. I have most of them now. So here's a picture of what a harvested sugar beet looks like. Here is the first step in which the leafy material above the ground is stripped away. And then you have the lifter, which digs the beets out of the ground. Here you have kind of moving the beets from the harvester to a truck. The truck goes to the piling location and dumps the beets into an elevator that piles them up. And here you have kind of a view of a completed pile. Here you have the sugar processing plant. And then here you have a sign that talks about the benefits of sugar beets. I could write a description over here, and an interesting capability here is that in addition to just adding information, I could actually add links to external material. If I wanted to. But this is, I guess, enough just to kind of show you some of these capabilities. And I have now created a set of images. So I'll save that. And now I want to go back to my photo stream. And at the very top, hopefully, will be my newly created set. And I want to show you one interesting thing about this set, in that besides just organizing your collection, you can also use it in interesting ways to present the material. And that's why I was careful to sequence these images in a way that would tell a story. And in fact, if I play a slideshow now, you're going to kind of see the story unfold as the images appear. And what I could do, if I had prepared these a little more completely, is I could simultaneous with the display of the images, provide some simple comments that would appear at the top of the screen. So what I've demonstrated here is, first of all, how to upload images into Flickr. Secondly, how to create a set of images. And thirdly, how to sequence images within this set to control their display when the set is explored using the slideshow.